What's up guys, WRG here with another video. So today I have an unboxing for you guys. This is the POF Revolution. This is a much anticipated rifle. It's basically an AR-15 chambered in .308. And I know you guys are thinking like, hey, isn't that a AR-10? No, it's not. This one is very unique and I'm really excited to show you guys. So the box it comes with, it's a plastic box. Nothing too special about it. Actually feels a little cheap. It kind of reminds me of those Daniel Defense cases that you get, but I'd rather they spend the money in the actual gun itself than on presentation. So it's good enough to serve its function. But this is it, guys. First thing you notice when you pick this thing up is the weight. It's pretty lightweight and it's very noticeable. So it comes in at 7.3 pounds, which is very nice for a .308 chambered rifle. You see the muzzle brake there. One thing you do notice here is there's a strip of Picatinny rail missing, and you could put that in if you like, but this is actually like for optics. So if you did have optics, you have a little more space and you can mount it a little bit lower, which is pretty cool. It does have a lot of features. I'll go into the specs in a second, but first I just want to show you guys the ergonomics of it and how it's designed. Very nice. This is hollow. Everything here looked like it was focused on weight, but it's not really stripped down naked. You know, you do have like QD mounts. You have this nice long M-lock rail. You see that big mag well for a .308. Pretty cool. Comes with a P-mag. 20 rounder, but you know, you could easily get the 25 rounders, which I think is pretty cool for this rifle. It kind of seems like a battle rifle. Although they do claim that it does shoot 1 MOA, which I'm really excited. I'm going to put that to the test, see how it does. I'm definitely going to do a mastering of the POF Revolution video soon. So looking forward to that, definitely. But let me give you guys a few specs on it. So obviously chambered in 7.62 by 51 NATO, .308 Winchester. It does have E2 dual extraction technology, which is supposed to be pretty cool. I suggest you guys check that out on their website. It's pretty nice. It's supposed to work pretty well. It's obviously semi-auto. It's gas piston system. It's 5-position. You could adjust here up in the front. You have, I told you guys already, 7.3 pounds, 3.31 kilograms empty. You have a 16.5-inch barrel. And it's also match grade nitride heat treated, so very good quality. These guys are known for their quality for sure. You have a length of 34 inches or 86.36 centimeters collapsed with obviously the collapsible stock. You also have, I told you guys the gas block is 5-position, which is pretty cool. 14.5-inch M-lock free floated rail. Very nice. Definitely screams quality. You do have a triple ported muzzle brake. I'm going to show you guys that now. So, very cool. The trigger is single stage and it's 4.5 pounds. And it's supposed to be pretty good. Let me check it out. Take out my chamber flag here. You guys can see that bolt. Looks pretty cool. Ooh. Super crisp, guys. Really like it. It should do 1 MOA like it claims. So, you know, 1 MOA rifle, 16.5-inch barrel. I mean, this is kind of the do-it-all type of gun. So they do have a lot of other technology. This is their Gen 4 receiver that they have here. So pretty cool. I definitely want to do more information on this, guys. I'm going to do a mastering series on the POF. So definitely hope you guys check that out. But that's just the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe. And thanks for watching. WRG out.